Hello, this is our project. Now, respiration.
Respiration occurs in the respiratory system. The respiratory system consists of the air passengers and the lungs. The air passengers are tubes through which air goes in and out of our body. Includes nostril, the larynx, the pharynx, the trachea, the bronchus, the bronchi, and the alveoli.
The lungs are located in the thoracic cavity formed by the sternum, the ribs, and the spinal column. The lungs are two spongy organs where gas exchange occurs. Are two types of respiration. One is cells combined with oxygen with nutrients to obtain energy. That is called the cellular respiration, and the other is respiration or breathing movement.
During inhalation, the thoracic cavity and the lungs expand. When we breathe in, air goes through the nostrils and then to the pharynx. From there goes to the larynx and to the trachea. The trachea is divided into two bronchi that are connected to each lung. The bronchi is divided into bronchioles. At the end of the bronchioles is the alveoli. Then we have exhalation that during this movement, the thoracic cavity and the lungs contract.
Now is extraction.
Bodily functions produce waste substance that pass into the blood. Is elimination of waste substance from the blood. The respiratory system is made up of the kidneys, the urines, and the bladder and the urethra. The kidneys filter the blood and retain the waste substances that make up urine. The ureters are two tubes that through which urine goes through the kidneys to the bladder, and the bladder stores the urine until it's expelled out of the body, and the urethra is a tube through which urine is expelled out of the body.
Now is circulation.
Blood vessels are hollow tubes that they're distributed through our body. They circulate blood, and there's three types: the arteries, veins, and the capillaries. The arteries carry blood from the heart to other organs, and when they're closer to the heart, they're bigger, and when they're far from the heart, they're smaller and have many branches. The veins carry blood to the heart, and when they are closer to the heart, they're thicker too. And the capillaries join the arteries and veins and circulates blood inside the organ.
The heart is an organ made up of muscles. The heart is separated by a thick wall of muscles. Its half has different areas called chambers. The atria are two upper chambers. The ventricle are the two lower chambers, and above that connects an atrium with a ventricle.
Systole and diastole. Systole is a contraction of the heart, make blood go to the arteries. Diastole is a relaxing of the heart, make blood goes through to the heart through veins. Blood circulates to the blood moves through the circulatory system in closed circuit. There is formed by pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation.
Pulmonary circulation. Blood in the right atrium passes through the right ventricle. The right ventricle contracts and pumps blood to the pulmonary artery. Blood circulates to the pulmonary artery through its capillaries. In the capillaries, gas exchange occurs. Blood picks up oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. The blood passes through the capillaries to the pulmonary veins to get blood from the left and ventricle.
Systemic circulation. In this movement, blood breathe in and take and between the heart and the rest of our body. During this movement, oxygen goes in and picks up carbon dioxide and waste substances during the process of cellular respiration.
And this is all of our